Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix problem that your iPhone is not charging. So first thing first, make sure that you use an original cable for iPhone. Then you can try force restart for your iPhone. Just click volume up button, then volume down button, then keep pressing power button. So let's see. Volume up, volume down, and keep pressing power button about 10 seconds until your iPhone turns off and the Apple logo will show. Then wait about 20 seconds. So now it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.